This dance is called Cowboy Yodel. It's a 32 count, 2-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our right foot, chassé to the right. These are these 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right. We're going to repeat that, going to the left. So 1 and 2 count timing steps, chassé to the left, side, close, side, rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left. So that section once more then, chassé to the right. 7, 8, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. We're going to travel forwards on a couple of step, lock, steps. So again, these are 1 and 2 count timing steps. So you're going to step your right foot forward, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward. You're going to repeat that with the left foot. So we step the left forward, lock the right behind the left, step the left forward. So 2 sets of step, lock, step. Add on to that a mambo step. So with your mambos, with this one, we're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, bring the right back beside the left. That is your mambo step. Right-footed mambo. Then put on a coaster step, leading with the left. So the left goes back, right beside the left, left forward. Now these mambos and coasters are all 1 and 2 count timing steps. So let's put all that bit together. A lot of steps, a lot of hand counts. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Let's add that to the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading, 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Now at this point I've been really nice to you because we're now going to repeat the first section exactly as the first section is. So it's chassé to the right, right, close, right, rock back on the left, recover the weight on the right, chassé to the left, side, close, side, rock back on the right, recover. Nice and easy. Let's add that onto the top. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Now at this point, we're going to do some paddle turns. 4 lots of paddle turns, which is going to take you around half a turn, so you end up facing the back wall. So that means after each paddle, you should be facing the quarter, the side, the quarter, the diagonal, the side, the diagonal, and then the back. So we're going to touch our right forward. Use that right foot to propel yourself around that 1/8 of a turn, so you're now facing that left diagonal or 10:30. Touch that right forward again, paddle yourself around another 1/8, so you're now facing 9 o'clock. Touch forward, paddle 1/8, you're now facing the next diagonal or 7:30. Touch forward, paddle again, should hopefully now be facing the back wall. Just to finish this section, you will step forward on the right, touch the left beside the right, step back on the left, touch the right beside the left. Believe me, you need those couple of slow steps at the end once you get through this dance. So those paddle turns are going to be quite quick. So let's just try that again. Do it slowly to start with and then we'll speed it up a bit. So touch, paddle, off on that right, 1/8 of a turn, 4 times. 7, 8, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, step, touch, back, touch. Let's just speed those paddles up a little bit more. Half on that right. 7, 8, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, step, touch, back, touch. So don't take big steps. The key with this dance is going to be little steps. The music has got a bit of a pace to it, so your feet will need to move a bit. But once you've done that last little section, gets you to the end of the dance. So let's put it all together. We'll keep it nice and slow to start with, and then we'll speed it up a bit. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, look, step, step, look, step, mambo step, coaster step. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, step, touch, back, touch. So that is it in slow time. What I will do, just to give you a feel for the timing of the dance, is I'll go through the counts. Chassé to the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that those paddles will be slightly quicker. Now, like I say, the music has got a bit of a pace to it, but it is a 2-wall dance. So we'll have a go at the back wall. I'll keep it relatively slow for the back wall. We'll keep going when we get back to the front, but I'm going to speed it up a bit when we get back to the front to give you more of a feel for what it's going to be like for when the music comes on. Chassé to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, touch, paddle, step, touch, back, touch. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Paddle, 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 step, touch, back, touch. Now yes, I did miss the touches out of those paddles, because believe me, when the music's on, I'm not going to be able to get all those words in. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Get those little legs ready, they're going to have to move. But it's a fun piece of music. Hope you enjoy it. Let's give it a go. Five, 6, 7, 8. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Paddle, 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 step, touch, back, touch. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, coaster step. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Paddle, 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 step, touch, back, touch. Right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, twist to step, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, paddle, 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 step, touch, back, touch, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, mambo step, twist to step, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, paddle, 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 step, touch, back, touch, chassés, step locks, chassé, paddles, chassé, step lock, chassé, paddles,
Then he started to roll. Ale, ole, 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 ole. Ale, ole, ole, yolele, yole. Ale, ole, ole, yolele, yole, yole. Ale, ole,
hope you managed that one.